What up, Money Gang? It's your favorite money making Monique. And y'all, this week I'm about to go ahead and get into this video on how I made Code the Pisces Queen's mini tumbler. And let's get into the story time. I hope everyone is having a wonderful week so far. And sorry that this video did not get dropped on Tuesday. But you know your girl was gonna bring it to you still. It's the money making, it's the money making, it's the money making Monique show. It's the money making, it's the money making, it's the money making Monique show. Hey. Alright, money gang, let's get into this video. I have already did all the mixing for the epoxy, and I'm using pigment powder and glow in the dark pigment powder as well. And if you are new to my channel, first and foremost, I want to thank you for clicking on Little on Me. And I hope you enjoyed this video enough to make you want to click that subscribe button and that bell so you can know each and every time I do drop a video. In this video, I did go ahead and skip the stuff on how you mix your epoxy, but definitely check out some of my previous videos where I have used epoxy and I go by step basis on how to mix your epoxy and add your coloring to it. Hi, money gang. So let me go ahead and tell y'all the behind the scene process of this tumbler. First of all, on my website, I did everything on my website. No, I am not a website designer, but y'all already know over here in the Money Gang family, we make money. We don't try to ditch it out. So I did my whole website maybe about a year ago. I think it's been up for a full year, maybe two. But I've been doing it myself off and on. And I hadn't been on there for a while. And I said I needed to go on there, update it, make sure everything was correct. Because at one time, I even shut it down because no one was ordering off it. And I pay a good little penny for my website a month. Needless to say, when Cole created the order, I did not know that I can create different colors of glow in the dark tumblers. Mind you, I'm just really getting into tumblers real good this year with sublimating them. So when I received the order, as I told you, I was sitting there talking to my sister-in-law when the order came through. Y'all, I was like, oh my God, like, am I reading this right? Like, how I supposed to make a blue glow in the dark tumbler? So y'all know I had to go back to the drawing board and go to YouTube University and find out how can I make a glow in the dark tumbler. So y'all, after I finished doing all that research, I come to find out I had everything in the house that I needed to make it blue and glow in the dark. So your girl started getting to work. And I need to just stop buying all kind of stuff every time I see some on Amazon. First of all, I just need to stay offline shopping for real. I ain't the only one in this family that got a shopping addiction online either. Y'all let me know in them comments. Drop some hearts if you got an online shopping addiction. But to be on the safe side, I went on and I did order some glow in the dark cups as well. But the glow in the dark cups was only going to glow in the dark when it was the main color was not going to be a glow in the dark blue. And she wanted, the way that she ordered it, she wanted a blue cup. Alright, so fam, what you see me doing now is this just the first layer of blue. Y'all, I had to do this like 3 times. I think I did it like 3 or 4 times over. My first layer, this was my first, like I said, I was timid. Like, I didn't want to mess it up. I was like, y'all, we got to make sure we do this right because the order got to be going out in time. Like, my brain was on 10. So I was a little scared, but then I noticed that the pigment blue that I was using, it wasn't as thick. It wasn't a thick pigment. So it was more of it was just thin. As you can see, you can still see the white. So I didn't know what was going on because the first time I ever tried to epoxy a tumbler, it was a hot mess. It had a whole bunch of lumps and everything in it. So I was real timid when I would put the first layer on. But in the long run, I did have to do this about 3 times to make sure that the whole cup turned blue. Now, I will let it sit for about 5 to 6 hours in between each layer. And what you see me doing here also before each layer, after I let it sit and dry, I buff it with a sanding band, and this is just one of my little buffers, and I buff the whole thing to make sure everything is nice and smooth before I put the next layer on it. Baby, who told you you can't turn a white cup into a glow in the dark color? Look at that blue. That blue is gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. That's all I'm gonna say. Now we're about to put this on there. Alright, Money Gang. So once I put the vinyl on there, I do not leave the vinyl on the cup bare like this. And unfortunately, I do apologize in advance. I did not show with me sealing it. I don't know what happened. I thought I videoed, but I didn't. But I wanted to let you know that I do still seal it with some Magic Maker by I think it's Scotch Makers, and it's a really good product because it goes on clear and it still gives it that glossy look. Alright, so Money Gang, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready in this video. Once again, big shout out to Queen 43 Nicole. Y'all go show her some support. She's also a YouTuber, and like I always tell y'all, she got her family, everybody in her household got a YouTube channel. So go ahead and support. Ain't nothing to hit that subscribe button and that bell, which I hope you do on this video, so you can know each and every time your girl drop a video. Like always, love y'all always. Always stay true to yourself. Always believe in yourself. Put God first. Until next time. Peace.
It's the money making, it's the money making, it's the money making Monique show. It's the money making, it's the money making, it's the money making Monique show.